13th, we're going to make the best of a dreary day. Sauteing up some mushrooms. Right now I'm going to throw in the onions and the peppers. Put these two back. Let's get back. That's going to be good. Little, these are all sweet peppers, a little bit of sweet onion. We're going to do up some venison burgers tonight. Let's see, David Gray bring us over some meat. Try some of it. This is looking real good and smelling good because it sucks outside. It smells good out here, but the weather never really agrees. But cooking something on the grill outside doesn't seem to matter. It's always good. Little hickory in there going on. Man, does that smell good. Just a little cayenne pepper, salt, regular pepper. Whoop. That popped off too. Well, we have no shortage. We're going to make some sliders tonight. Do a little Hawaiian sweet roll buns. Venison. Chop up some of this and put on them. Pretty good. Well, anyway, looking good. Thought we'd take a little picture of this. I don't know how good video will turn out, but this sure does smell good. Smell-o-vision would be nice. Alright, October 13th, over and out. Yeah, so here we are. Got these babies done. Just brought them in. They're still sizzling. Got the burgers ready to go. Got our King Hawaiian rolls, so I'll go out and cook them. Alright, we just got these babies laid on the grill here. Looking pretty good. While Laura's filming, I'm going to go rinse my hands off. That's nice to see in the late fall, well, early fall, mid-fall. Doesn't matter, it's cold, rainy, dreary. Make these into some cheeseburgers, I think. Keep the heat back up on the bottom here. Vegetables on it, so this in here. Yeah, those are sounding good. Got some good coals going. Feel like one of those videos you watch in the middle of the winter. Alright, so here's our finished product. We got our buns, got our venison burgers lined up nice. Here's our mushroom and sweet onion and sweet pepper mix. And over here we got some cowboy candy. We're going to be putting that on there too for some extra flavor. So I'll maybe make a sandwich and take a video of that before we chow them down. So we'll see what happens. Alright, I'm going to assemble this. Just took some pictures of the last one. It was already assembled. So we'll do a little pepper. As you can tell, I don't like a lot of bun. I like meat, goodies. That looks like plenty of that. I'm sure a couple of those will fall off. You always eat the extras. Alright, I'm going to grab the important part here. This is what's going on top of that. That is a burger. Alright, now I'll take some of this cowboy candy. Just put it on here. There's some serranos right here, real nice pepper. And they're not as hot as you think they would be after you candy them. Basically, you really don't need any ketchup or mustard or anything, really. There's the burger. Sure, where to get good light on it, but there it is. Looks pretty good. We're already dug into hers, so I'm going to dig into mine. So, peace and out.